Most money advice doesn't work because it relies on motivation. It tells you to try harder, be disciplined, and push through. But motivation fades. Systems don't. Real progress comes from building a setup where the right actions happen automatically. Imagine a bill arriving and you feel calm instead of stressed. No panic, no late-night math. That calm isn't luck. It's built from small decisions repeated over time. And there's one step at the end that locks this in permanently. You don't need to change your entire life today. You just need one action when this video ends. Most people wait for perfect timing, a raise, a new year, the right mood. Money moves toward people who move first. Nothing changes when you stay still. Movement, even slow movement, creates opportunity. Progress doesn't require speed. It requires direction. Thoughts become emotions. Emotions become habits. Habits become income. That pipeline runs whether you notice it or not. If you keep telling yourself money isn't for you, that belief limits your actions. Replace it with a builder mindset. I'm learning, practicing, and improving. Describe the life you want and detail your mornings, your schedule, your environment. Clear language trains your brain. Your brain controls your choices. Vague thinking creates weak results. Comparing yourself to others drains focus and energy. Instead of shrinking when others win, treat their success as proof. Proof that systems work. Don't copy lifestyles, copy behavior. Too many goals create motion without progress. Choose one focus for the next 90 days, one skill, one income move, one financial target. Measured goals create real momentum. Scrolling, drama, and noise steal your best hours. Attention becomes money. Decide whether your phone is a tool or a trap. If your current work drains you, don't quit dramatically. Build quietly. 15 to 30 minutes a day compounds. Test ideas, keep what works. Drop what doesn't. That's not failure, it's data. Passion isn't magic. It grows when you see improvement. Choose something you can get better at quickly so progress keeps you moving. If your environment talks in problems, you'll think in problems. Find spaces online or offline where people talk in solutions and skills. Your body fuels discipline. Sleep, movement, food, and sunlight keep your system working. Neglect your body and everything else breaks. Spend less than you earn. Every dollar you save becomes a worker. Small, repeatable actions beat dramatic efforts every time. Emergencies aren't rare, they're predictable. Even a small buffer turns chaos into inconvenience. Understand fees, risk, and compounding. Ask questions, negotiate. The worst answer is no. The best answer can change your year. One income stream is fragile. 2 create peace. You don't need 10 just to back up. Write goals down, track income, spending, and skills. What gets measured gets better. Obstacles aren't dead ends. They're information. Respond calmly, adjust, move forward. Drama is expensive. Recovery is profitable. Automate your money. The moment income arrives, move a set amount into savings or investments automatically. Then add friction to bad spending, remove saved cards, delete apps, make impulse buying inconvenient. Automation builds the floor. Friction builds the walls. 10 minutes a week, review numbers, fix leaks. Notice progress. Visible progress fuels consistency. Within the next hour, take one action, cancel one leak. Set one automatic transfer even if it's small. The amount isn't the magic. Repetition is. Comment what you actually did, not what you plan to do. Builders act. Spectators wait.